For over 40 years, Norman has been committed to excellence in design and manufacturing of window coverings. Norman is the world's largest shutter manufacturer and the maker of the world's best-selling shutter. Choose from one of our rich luxury colors. The color palette has 21 whites and off-whites and includes grays, taupes, and a classic black. 33 distinctive stains are also included, from whitewash finishes to distinctive natural tones to rich dark woods. A custom color program is also available. We offer the most comprehensive selection of frames on the market. 3 traditional L frames, 4 Z frames, hang strips, specialty tilt-in frames, plus 3 exclusive outside mount decorative frames with inserts that completely hide the installation footprint. Also choose from 5 elliptical louver sizes, including 1 1/4, 1 7/8, 2 1/2, 3 1/2, and 4 1/2 inch. Traditional or split tilt rod is also available, and there's no extra charge for divider rails. Specialty hardware such as panel pulls, panel locks, and invisible hinge add a finishing touch. You can also choose invisible tilt, the award-winning gear-driven system that tilts without the need of a tilt rod and provides wider, more streamlined views. With Norman's shutter program, there isn't a window you can't cover. Rake windows, arched windows, circles, ovals, half-round windows, quarter-round windows, track systems for patio doors, French door solutions including cutouts for those difficult lever doors. It's all possible. Now you may be wondering, what makes Norman quality superior to anybody else? It's because of our vertical integration, our attention to detail, and our focus on innovation. Our commitment to quality delivers the world's safest and trouble-free window covering products, made with the best materials while using the industry's leading manufacturing processes. Reinforced engineered styles are at the heart of the Norman shutter. They are in the core of every style we produce and manufactured using exacting processes. You can literally see the difference. We start with wood veneers in opposing grain. We then layer all the pieces together and use a special laminating process. Together with extreme pressure and heat to create a style that's extremely solid, durable, highly predictable, and uniform throughout. It's the same technology used in engineered beams of buildings, built into the heart of every shutter we make. Prescription wood conditioning. We source lumber from all over the world, including lumber farmed and harvested ourselves. Prescription wood conditioning is our proprietary process that reclimatizes the wood to its final resting place. It ensures that the shutter your customer receives has been dried to the optimal moisture level for their location. The wood is then shipped to one of our manufacturing facilities where it is milled and manufactured into shutters, put in a box, and then shipped all over the world. Acclimating the shutter helps reduce warping and swelling of the wood and prevents long-term damage. In contrast, other manufacturers dry their wood rapidly, all in one swoop, with disregard for regional moisture levels. The result? Quality is compromised and shutters are more prone to damage. Quarter sawn louvers. Unlike cheaper plain sawn louvers, our quarter sawn louvers are milled from a quartered log. Our louver stock is harvested perpendicular to the grain. In contrast, cheaper plain sawn louvers are cut straight across. Quarter sawn provides the most consistent and straight-line graining, considered to be the most beautiful. An additional benefit of the straight-line graining in quarter sawn wood is that it provides additional stability for shutters that last a lifetime. The structural integrity of plain sawn louvers can be compromised over time, making your shutters prone to damage. The consistency of quarter sawn louvers also fight the natural forces of cupping and warping better, which can occur due to the elements such as heat or moisture. Plain sawing causes tiger striping, an undesirable trait. Mortise and tenon joinery. Featured on all of our shutters, mortise and tenon joints are a hallmark of heirloom furniture. The mortise and tenon forms a solid joint and dependably locks the style into place. When compared to dowel joints, our mortise and tenon joints are solidly built, resist shear stress and racking forces, and made to last. Dowel joints from other manufacturers consist of thin wooden inserts used to join the pieces. Over time, racking forces and shear stress can cause the dowels to break and thus cause the shutter to fail. Invisible tilt. Invisible tilt is Norman's proprietary tilting technology. All louvers tilt in unison without the need for a tilt rod, for wider, brighter, and more immaculate views. Invisible tilt provides worry-free operation while ensuring the tightest closure and light control. Invisible tilt uses an internal gear-driven system embedded into each style. It's not the rear tilt from other manufacturers. Rear tilt is hard to clean, takes up more window depth, and tends to fail over time. The rear tilt rod can break, or the screws can become undone. Invisible tilt is available in all shutter lines, including specialty shapes, track systems, and French doors, and comes standard on all Perfect Tilt RF motorization. Invisible tilt, the world's most advanced shutter tilting system, bar none. Stainless steel staples. Our tilt rods and louvers are fastened not by just any staple, but a very specific stainless steel staple made to never fail. Each staple is capped with a friction-actuated adhesive. They're attached using special equipment and at a precise angle to maximize holding power. Our stainless steel staples are longer and feature microbarb technology for an even tighter hold. Our stapling technology secures each staple more consistently for a more polished look throughout, and a foolproof tilt rod and louver solution. Not all staples are the same. Others may not be stainless steel and may rust or corrode over time. They may not be as long, not fastened as permanently, and may come apart. Polypropylene coating. We use a patented polypropylene coating on all our wood composite shutters. The coating is applied using a proprietary process to ensure a durable, luxurious, uniform finish that is guaranteed to never yellow, peel, or lose its luster. The non-porous surface is the same as what is widely used on football helmets, inside kitchen appliances, and even car exteriors. Our coating makes the shutter more robust and ready for whatever the elements have in store. It performs trouble-free in the hottest desert temperatures and in areas of high humidity. It stands up to life's happenings and easy to clean. It also makes the surface extremely durable so that it's resistant to cracking or chipping over time. UV inhibitors in our coating provide added protection. We're the only shutter company that guarantees color fastness for life to prevent the yellowing and fading seen in other products. Recessed magnets. Norman uses a special recessed magnet embedded into each style. They ensure dependable and tight closure while leaving a small footprint. Since they're recessed, they work to prevent excessive light leakage from the sides when the shutter is closed. Our recessed magnets offer elegant closure with no protruding pieces that can allow light to come from behind, refined operation that makes a tight seal every time, secure closure that looks as good as it works and won't lose strength over time. From the exterior, our magnets are not visible from the street. They resist some damage and are made to look great from the inside out. Norman magnets are made to last a lifetime. For others, magnets are an afterthought. They use generic, cheaper cabinet magnets, which are visible from the outside and unattractive. The plastic housing becomes brittle from sun exposure and can easily crack and eventually break. Loose screws cause magnet misalignments, causing them to fail over time. With Norman, you'll find value in every detail.